results are out and we have counted all the votes. In all, for students class 6 to 12 and all the staff members of the institution in all, 485 votes in all who had cast their vote today. So I'm going to announce the results, and I'm really happy to announce the results. The first category that I'm going to announce for is for the Assistant Cultural Secretary. The candidate is selected unopposed. There was no contestant who was with her. So it was an unopposed post. So Hasini wins by a sweep of 485 votes. Congratulations, Hasini. We have the next category of Cultural Secretary. There were two students who had contested for that, Ritika and Shivam Singh. And any guesses? Okay, Ritika wins the position with 428 votes. And Shivam Singh follows with 197, so a difference of 31 votes. Ritika gets the first position. The next category is Assistant Sports Captain. Two contestants were there, Shrestha and Devesh. Yes, miss? Yes, you are right. Shrestha won the for the category of Assistant Sports Captain with 261 votes. No less was Devesh. He also had 224 votes. By 37 votes, Shrestha leads. Congratulations, Shrestha, for the position of Assistant Sports Captain. The next category, Sports Captain. Two contestants were there. Okay, there were Harshita and Harish Raj. Okay, so Harshita and Harish Raj were two contestants. Any guesses on who? I have told you for once by giving the second name first. Harish Raj won. Harish Raj won by 273 votes, followed by Harshita who has 212, no less, so 61 votes in difference. So with that, Harish Raj becomes the sports captain of the school. Congratulations, Harish Raj. The next category of the school. There were two people who contested for the position of assistant head girl. We had Sanskriti, that's what I was telling. Sanskriti and Harshini. Okay. Sanskriti gets the second position by getting 217 votes, and the first vote sweep by 268 votes. Harshini wins that position. So Harshini becomes the assistant head girl of the school, and she wins by 51 votes. Congratulations, Harshini. Boy. Two contestants for this position as well. Praneshwar and Siddharth. Actually, Siddharth wins the election by 300. He has got 314. I think the difference is the maximum in assistant head boy's position. He has won the election by excess of 143 votes. So much in favor of Siddharth. So congratulations, Siddharth. All the very best. Okay, now the school head girl. Two contestants again, Akshita and Hania. How many hands up for Akshita? Hands up for Hania. You are right, Hania wins. At the age of 71 years, Hania becomes the school head girl. Congratulations, Hania. School head boy. Two contestants, Rafael and Himakesh. Rafael and Himakesh. Let's see how many hands go up for Rafael.
Where is all?
Okay. Himakesh. Himakesh wins the election by 266 votes. And Rafael, they're cheating on you. They raised their hands, but there the cast of vote is 256 votes for Himakesh and Rafael follows by 228, a difference of just 28 votes. Himakesh wins the election. So here we have the list of all contestants. Can you occupy the front stage, please?